What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to take a look at the Xiaomi Yeelight LED smart bulbs. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, test it out, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. Smart LED light bulbs have been picking up in popularity for the past couple years, particularly because they're getting a little bit more affordable and you have full customizable settings right at your fingertips. Take a look at what we get. It comes in your traditional white box here, nothing too spectacular about that. And popping this open, looks like the first thing that we get is the light bulb itself wrapped in this clear plastic and instructions on how to use it. So here are the bulbs here. They're pretty simple, sleek design. And coupled with the silver anodized finish, the bulbs themselves are pretty nice and modern looking. Now even though these are smart bulbs and they have Wi-Fi built in, they only use 9 watts, so they're fairly energy efficient too. And these bulbs are both white and color, so you can pick whatever color that you want, in this case up to 16 million different color choices, as well as different white temperatures from 1700 to 4500K, so it's kind of like a blue-white all the way up to a warm white. The biggest thing for me is price. These bulbs are $21.35 in Canadian dollars, and in the States it's going to be less than $20, so that's very inexpensive for a smart LED light bulb. But anyways, let's hook this up to a lamp to see how this thing works, and it's a Wi-Fi light bulb, so it's going to work pretty much the same way in terms of the setup process as other bulbs out there on the market, hooking up to your home Wi-Fi network, and therefore you have the ability to control the bulb via your phone or tablet. Alright, so we're going to set up the app here. Basically, you just download the Yeelight app off the App Store, which is free. Make sure your bulb is attached to your lamp or wherever you're putting it and powered on. And once it's powered on, the next thing you want to do is add device on your Yeelight app by hitting the settings on the top corner, adding the device, select the light bulb that you have, in this case, the color version. So once your light bulb is powered on, select your light bulb is powered on in the app, hit next. Put in your password for your home Wi-Fi network, and then continue. The next thing that you want to do is go to your Wi-Fi and actually connect your Wi-Fi to the light bulb now. And once the app connects to the light bulb, it's pretty much automatic. You'll see your light bulb appear as an option on the Yeelight app, and you're all set to go. And just a quick look at some of the things you can do on this app here. An obvious one is turning the light on and off from your smartphone or tablet. If you want to stick to a standard white light, you can change the color temperature right on the app here. And it's kind of cool how the background changes along with your color that you select. And of course, you can also change from a range of different colors all the way from red to blue. One of my favorite features of these colored LED light bulbs is the ability for them to cycle through different colors. In this case here, you can set it to randomly select whichever colors it decides, or you can pre-select 4 different colors here to your choosing. If you have a special color in mind for some reason, you can grab a picture or take a picture and select it that way. And a couple other standard features is the ability to change the brightness by just moving your finger up and down the screen. And you can change how fast it cycles through each color by moving your finger left and right. In the end, the app gives you all the standard features that you would expect with a smart LED color changing light bulb. Overall guys, my first impressions on the Xiaomi Yeelight LED colored light bulbs is pretty positive. The smart bulbs work just as well as the higher end brands like Philips, yet function nearly identically for a fraction of the price. These kinds of light bulbs are great for those of you who want to spice up your room with a bit of color and lighting effects while still having the option of going back to your traditional warm white. The Yeelight app is simple to use, and pairing the bulbs up is pretty quick and not difficult, and in the end, they're light bulbs that do work. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about these light bulbs, one big thing I want to mention is that these light bulbs were designed for Asian countries and not for North America here. These bulbs uses 220 volts, whereas in Canada and the United States we use 120 volts. Therefore, I did have to pick up this transformer off of Amazon for around about 20 bucks that converts 120 to 220 volts in order for these lights to work properly. So in short, they will work, you just have to pick one of these things up, but nonetheless, I do hope the company does release 120 volt versions of these for us in North America so they can work without having something like this, as these are very functional, they work, and they're inexpensive. In conclusion guys, for those who are looking for a cheap, smart LED colored light bulb, you definitely can't go wrong with the Xiaomi Yeelight LED light bulb. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments about this light bulb, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.